Hey, Scott and Deepak. This is Yo over at Core Commerce. And basically just wanted to show you where we're at right now with the point-click care integration. So what you're seeing here is the admin dashboard. Uh, we have not spent much time on this right now just because we don't know exactly what data we want to show on the dashboard. Scott's going to get back with us about what data he wants to show. Right now, the only dynamic thing on the dashboard is organizations. So there's 13 organizations over here. This is basically just a list page of the organizations. We're showing the UUID, the name of the organization, and the PCC UUID. So here, the only inputs are name and PCC organization UUID. This value is going to come from point-click care's system. Somebody on y'all's team is going to go into their system and copy this value and paste it in here. Once you do that, what we do is we take that organization UID, make an API call to point-click care, and pull down this organization's facilities, and then we automatically create them. So these are all the facilities. You'll see there is no create a facility button because that data is being pulled directly from point-click care. So we don't want people like manually creating facilities in our system. Here's the data we're displaying right now: UUID, facility name, facility code, and the organization name. We can change this later if you want. There's a lot of data to display. Here is some of that data that came back from point-click care. You'll see none of this is editable. We're just kind of showing the user. The only editable field is here, Core Gateway Merchant Subdomain. And just ignore this ID right here. Basically, so somebody on y'all's team will need to go into Core Gateway and get the merchant's subdomain. What is the merchant subdomain? It is right here. So this is the affiliate level on Core Gateway. On the merchant edit page, you'll see there's a subdomain field right here. So you'll basically come in here, copy that, plop it in there. And once you do that, basically, this is how we can connect to the gateway, is via the subdomain. So once we do that, we will be able to pull down this merchant's processors, which are right here. So you see this merchant has 3 processors. We will pull down that list and display it here so that an admin user can select up to 2 processors. And that'll be 1 processor for credit cards and 1 processor for electronic check. And so basically, once you select which processors you want, you can save them. And then on the patient's portal, whenever they go to make a payment, it'll have their balance and everything. And then they will have a drop down that says either pay by credit card or pay by electronic check. And those 2 values will be directly linked to these values, which the admin set up here. So that's sort of the flow that we have in mind right now. Just let me know if y'all have like any questions at all about it, or any ideas or any comments or anything. Yeah, thanks a lot. See ya.